So now we're on page 13, practicing our Fatha, Dhamma, and Kasra letters which we've been learning, lesson 4, 5, and 6. So before we move on to this page, I'm going to quickly do a quick revision. So when you go to class, your teacher, before moving you onto this page, should do a revision of the Fatha, Kasra, and also Dhamma letters. So once your teacher thinks you're ready, and you know all your letters and your Fatha, Dhamma, and Kasras very well, then you're going to move on to page 13. So first we're going to do a quick exercise for about a minute. So again, I'm going to, as soon as I click on a letter, I want you to say the sound of that letter. And you need to be fast enough to say it before me. If I say it before you, then that means you need to keep on practicing your letters. Okay, so let's start. So follow my arrow wherever it is. E. So you should have said it before me. D. F. Fi. Fu. U. U. Ye. Ya. Na. Ni. No. Okay, so that's a quick exercise. If you could say the letters before me, then that means you're quick enough to go into this page. If you're not, then I want you to keep on practicing the ba, ta, th, and the I, b, t, th, and the u, remembering what sounds the fatha, dhamma, and kasras make, and then practice your exercises again, make them perfect. And then once you're ready, move on to page 13. Okay, so the first line only has 2 letters, so it's very easy. So hu, wa, huwa. And if you can, what you can actually do is read the whole box in one go. So if you can think about how to read it in your head and then say the whole thing together, you can do. As long as you don't stretch any of the letters or make them long. Huwa. This is la, ka, laka. He, ya, hiya. And it's bi, ka, bika, ka, ra, kara, li, ma, lima, ma'a, ma'a. Okay, so now pause the video and practice this line. Once you're ready, you can move on to the next line. But when you practice, I want you to try and say the whole thing in one go. Huwa, laka, hiya, bika, kara, lima, ma'a, like that. Okay, next line. Now these 2 lines, they only have fathas. So you don't have to worry about the I or the U sound. So if you look, they all have fathas. So they all make an sound. Except that some things I want you to remember is some of them are full mouth letters. So whenever you get a full mouth letter, I want you to read it as full mouth. So the first letter is a kha, so that's full mouth. Okay, so here, kha, la is normal, khala, and then the qa. I want you to try and read the qa sound. Kha, la, qa, khalaqa. Okay, remembering the rules of spelling. First letter, second letter, join together. Third letter, join them all together. So again, first letter, wa. Second letter, qa. Try to say the qa sound. And join, waqa. Last letter, ba. Waqaba. Okay, next one. Try to say the ha from the middle of the throat. So it's a big letter. Ha, sa, hasa, da, hasada. Now here, this is a kaf. Ka, sa, the pointy parts, the 1, 2 pointy parts, this is sin. Sa, kasa, ba, kasaba. Now next is the qa. So say the qa sound, qa, da, qada, ra. Ra is a full mouth letter. قدر قدر قدر. And then practice. So pause the video and practice this line 3 times. And I want you to get really good at this. If you can, even say the whole box. Think about how to read the whole box in your head, and then say the entire box together. So like this. خلق. Very quickly without stretching anything. وقب. So that's for advanced readers. If you think you're an advanced reader and you can do that, then I want you to try and do it. وقب. حسد. كسب. قدر. Like that. So pause the video and practice. Once you're ready, move on to the next line. Number 1. Wa, ha, waha, ba, wahaba. Next, the sad is a full mouth letter. The qaf is a full mouth letter. Okay. So, da, so, da. So make sure you read the so. Don't read as a sa. So so. So, da, so, da, qo. So I want to hear the q sound. Qo. Sadaqo. Next. Sha. Ra. So ra is a full mouth letter. Sha. Ra. Sha. Ra. Ha. So ha must come out from the middle of the word. Sha. Ra. Ha. Next is fa. The fatha. And so ra. Fa. Ra. Dad with the fatha. Ba. فرض فرض. Next, wa, la, wala, da, walada. Okay, so now these 3 lines are done. So what I want you to pause the video and make sure you know these 3 lines perfectly before going into class. And we'll stop there.